Hey, this is Mark from Mobile Diesel. I am working on a 2018 Bobcat T790. Customer complaint is they're losing their prime. Turns out that the problem wasn't in the fuel lines, but in the fuel tank. So you have to lift the cap, take this plastic cover off. I'm gonna do the low crawl in here. And if you look, ooh, it's hard to see. This is a tight spot, but there's no real easy way to see it. Anyways, there's a fuel line down there. And that's there. You can see how it broke. It goes down into a hole down there. You just have to trust me, it's down there. But what Bobcat normally does is let a fuel line hang, and that's a terrible idea. So what I like to do is just put a brass, not a steel one because you don't want to rust, but a brass hose fitting. Let it sit on its side in the bottom of the tank to weigh down the new line. You have to use diesel-proof line and not that plastic stuff that Bobcat uses, and keeps the line from waving too much, and that does the secret. That does the trick. This is the line I like using. It's fuel line that's resistant to alcohol and biodiesel and everything. It doesn't do well in the sun though. Boston perfection. All right. Sorry that this is. Oh, there's the line right there. There's the hole. That's where the. That's where this guy plugs into right there. All right. Hope this helps.